Mauritius, a tropical paradise in the Indian Ocean. This island nation is famous for its stunning beaches, but there is so much more to discover. Belle Mare Plage. This iconic mountain is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-visit for the photographers and adventurers. Get ready for the geological wonder. The seven-colored earth of Caramel are the volcanic rocks in the shades of red, blue, purple and yellow. Escape the coast. Hike through the Black River Gorges National Park, spotting unique wildlife and cascading waterfalls. Explore the sprawling botanical garden, a UNESCO site. See the giant water lilies with the bigger leaves than the dinner table. Lose yourself among the vibrant flora. Mauritius is an island paradise that offers something for everyone, from relaxation on a pristine beaches to exploring dramatic landscape. This tropical gem will leave you breathless. Hit that subscribe button for more travel adventures. Let us know in the comments below. What's your dream destination?